Hello friends, welcome back to Market. Today is 5th of July and I'm back again with another video. And this time I am suggesting some swing trading ideas for the coming week. This is a new segment. Please let me know if these videos are helpful. I'll make more of them in the coming weeks. So let's start with Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank, friends, has seen a recovery of 50% from the recent correction, right? So it is at the 50% level. It is actually it has faced a stiff resistance here, like you can see one reaction here and here too, and it is now actually did not go too far away like before. It is actually building up right against that resistance. You can see this build up happening close to that resistance of 1370. In fact, couple of days back it opened quite low, 3% down near the 20 EMA, close to this ascending triangle that it is forming, but it quickly recovered on the same day, and it is showing more build up against this level. So this is preparing for a breakout for the levels of 1457 or beyond. So maybe you will see a one more swing, good swing from here. There is of course this 200 EMA resistance as well, but I guess it will be taken down too now that HDFC Bank is already above 200 EMA. So this will also cross. So this is ripe for a breakout. So you can either enter during this build up or after the breakout, but I would suggest entering during the build up for a better risk reward ratio. Stop loss could be this bottom of this big candle, big green candle that it has formed. So this could be your stop loss, or if it falls out of this structure, that could also be your stop loss. Right. And RSI, MACD also are looking strong. No divergence seen. Let's move on to REC Limited. REC Limited is a financial services company. It is part of Nifty FinServ index as well. So this has seen a 1 month of nice rally on very good volumes, very good green candles, hardly any counter trend candles here in this rally. And it is actually now retracing with very low volumes. There's a nice retracement happening here. And it is already forming support at this level at 108. So this may be already a good time to enter. Even if it falls further, 20 EMA is also going to be there, or this 38% retracement is there. So just wait for a good bullish candle on a daily chart or on an hourly chart against one of these supports, and then enter the trade for a target of 126 or so. And RSI, MACD also looking good. Don't see any divergence as such. Next one is Chola Finance. So Chola Finance has also seen a very good rally here, friends. So this rally was actually quite strong and has seen 70% returns already. And the retracement also has been very shallow on lower volumes, and it is already trying to breach this 205 level at this resistance at this 205. If you see more build up happening here towards this resistance, against this resistance, you could take up a trade in this range, or if it retraces it further, you can actually take a trade at 20 EMA on some bullish signal like a hammer candle on a daily chart or on a hourly chart. RSI and MACD also look quite strong. No divergence as such. It has made a new momentum high in this swing, new RSI high as well. Then let's move on to Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance too, after a nice rally, it is now retracing a bit. It had actually taken, it actually spent a few days, 3 days here at this level. It has formed a good support here already, to not at 2800. If you see more build up happening here, you can enter the trade here itself. Or if you see more downside, then you can take a trade on the support of 20 EMA. Or if it breaks out, you can actually look for a pullback on a daily chart or an intraday chart for a move towards 3300 and above. So RSI and MACD are pretty strong with good momentum. Let's move to Honeywell Automation. Honeywell Automation, after the rally from the bottom, friends, it actually consolidated in a channel. Recently, it broke out of the channel. This was a nice move, nice with good volumes and momentum. It is now retracing to test the support of this channel. If you see any bullish indicator close to this support, like a hammer on a hammer candle or a good long wick at the bottom on a daily chart or on a hourly chart, you can take up the trade. for the levels of 34,000 or 35,000. Next one is Ultratech Cement. So Ultratech Cement has recovered 62% of from the recent correction. It is forming a nice ascending triangle. It is actually facing resistance at 62% retracement and 200 EMA, but it is actually not showing any strong reaction. It is actually building up against the resistance level. This may be a good time to entry with stop loss at somewhere around these levels, or any breakout of the structure could be a stop loss. The target could be 4,280. RSI and MACD too are quite okay. This MACD is looking quite weak because of the consolidation happening here, but on breakout it will see some momentum. TVS Motor, friends, all the auto stocks are doing really well. TVS, out of the other, compared to other auto sectors, has run up a little less. It has just broken out of 200 EMA. It was facing resistance here at 200 EMA and this 62% retracement level. It has just broken out. You can enter somewhere around here or wait for a next pullback. And the stop loss could be the swing low before the breakout. Right, friends? So hope this video is helpful. These are strictly for educational purposes. Do your own analysis and risk management and take the trade confidently. Do let me know if you would like to see more videos in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, friends. See